Fintech Connect's an excellent event. It's very close to Canary Wharf, so the banks send all their brightest and best down here to check out what's happening in the industry.
There's a real buzz about it. There's absolutely loads of people through the door.
It's been excellent. It's one of our best events so far.
It's been vibrant.
It's been an amazing conference. It's a big conference, of course. Very strong fintech focused conference.
It's just great seeing some familiar faces here and then meeting some new faces.
The conference has been absolutely fantastic. We've been inundated with people approaching us, finding out more about our application.
And I really love the energy here with the startups, right? I think it's incredibly refreshing.
We've had a really good show, had some really interesting conversations.
It's been a fantastic event in terms of organization, public and different companies around here, so it's very, very exciting.
We've been at Fintech Connect since day one, the first event which was at Wembley.
Such exciting times for fintech here in the UK.